on the front. That's a slow one. I wouldn't want to see a fast one. He comes up to the tabletop. That's pretty good. About the way it's supposed to be done. John Kilge is on deck. And he's in for time. These boys know we're a low-budget operation and I'm breaking my tape tonight. Usually I've got it tied up with 117 knots.